Maulerfiend is a demon engine used by the Chaos Space Marine Traitor Legions and the forces of the Dark Mechanicum. Unlike its counterpart, the Chaos Forge Fiend, the Maulerfiend was designed by the Warp Smiths of the Dark Mechanicum for close-range combat. Maulerfiends thunder towards their foes like giant attack beasts loosed from the leash. The eyes of the beast glow with the balefire of the warp as ectoplasmic drool drizzles down from their great fanged maws. The Maulerfiend's primary limbs end in prehensile clawed power fists, powerful enough to tear an Astartes dreadnought limb from limb. Such a Maulerfiend catch a squad of less protected warriors, they will scissor them apart or simply squeeze them into paste with a flex of their claws and growl of satisfaction. The Maulerfiend is also known as a stalker tank or a scaler to Imperial troops, as these multi-limb monsters have the strength and agility to climb even the most sheer of walls, and no place is truly safe from a Maulerfiend that has taken the scent of its prey. Unlike the Forge Fiend, which is powered by an internal warp fire furnace, the Maulerfiend is powered and fueled by the rage of the demon that inhabits its shell, and this amplifies the power of its weapons. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.